In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using Skillshare. Skillshare is a fantastic online learning platform that offers thousands of classes across a wide range of subjects. Whether you're interested in creative arts, entrepreneurship, technology, or personal development, Skillshare has something to offer for everyone. It's a community-driven site where you can learn at your own pace from talented instructors around the world. Assuming you've already created an account, let's dive right into how to navigate this useful platform. When you first log in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub for everything you need on Skillshare. Let's take a look at the different options you'll notice at the top of the page. You'll see tabs like Browse, Community, and a search bar. The Browse option lets you explore all the categories and specific interests you're curious about. From graphic design to photography, you'll have the ability to sort through classes based on your interests and skill level. The Community tab is where you can engage with other learners and creators, share tips, ask questions, or participate in discussions related to your courses or new subjects you're exploring. Now, moving over to the top right corner of your screen, you'll find My Classes. This section is crucial as it houses all of your personal learning materials. Clicking on My Classes opens up several categories: All Saved Classes, My Learning Paths, My Lists, and Watch History. All Saved Classes is where you'll keep track of those courses you've saved to watch later. It's perfect for keeping your potential interests organized. Under My Learning Paths, you'll find a selection of classes grouped together based on specific skill goals. This is an excellent way to systematically enhance your knowledge in a particular area by taking related courses. My Lists allows you to organize courses you're interested in, much like a playlist, enabling you to categorize and revisit them easily. And finally, Watch History offers you a log of all the classes you've participated in, which is incredibly handy if you want to revisit something you learned about previously. Skillshare is designed to be learner-friendly, allowing you to immerse yourself into your subject matter and take control of your learning journey. With these tools, you can tailor your educational experience to your specific needs and goals. Remember, the platform is all about growth and community. So don't hesitate to dive in, ask questions, and engage with others. Explore, learn, and enjoy the wealth of knowledge available at your fingertips. Happy learning!